Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make fry bread with ground beef chile verde. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our dough for our fry bread. So to a bowl, add the 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Going to mix it with our clean hand. Into that, crumble 2 tablespoons of shortening. So begin to crumble it together. Okay, and once that's crumbled, begin to slowly pour your warm milk or water. So we're just going to add enough water to hydrate the flour. So just pour it slowly. Okay, once you no longer have any dry spots of flour, just going to begin to knead for about 5 minutes. The dough is going to feel sticky at first, but trust the process. The more you knead, the softer the dough will get. I'm just going to be kneading in my clean countertop. Okay, after 5 minutes, roll your ball of dough into a bowl, cover it, and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we can now get ready to divide our dough. So we're just going to divide it between 8 and 9 even pieces. So just grab it and just make sure that you roll it into a ball. Just like that, and place it over parchment paper. And make sure to keep them covered with plastic wrap. Once we have divided our dough, we're going to allow it to rest between 10 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can make our chile verde. Okay, to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to add a little bit of oil, and we're just going to allow it to heat up. Once the oil is nice and hot, add 1 small onion, and saute it for a couple minutes. After 2 minutes, add 2 pounds of ground beef, along with that 3 minced scarlet cloves. Just begin to break it down. Okay, and here we're going to add all of our spices. Mix it again and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, remove any grease from your meat and add 10 roasted, peeled, and finely chopped hatch peppers. Okay, and after 2 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour dissolved in 1.5 cups of water. And now just bring it to a simmer. And once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. Now just reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover it, and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, and after 10 minutes, our ground beef chile verde is done. So now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our fried bread. Okay, now to make our fried bread, we're going to get a pan, fill it up halfway with oil, set it over medium heat, and allow it to get nice and hot. And now we're just going to grab a ball of dough, and we're going to begin to stretch it with our hands. Go around it to flatten it out. Okay, once we have it, we're going to set it on our hot oil. And with the fork, just create little holes so like that it doesn't puff all the way up. Now just allow it to get nice and golden. Okay, once it's nice and golden on both sides, we're going to remove it from the oil. Make sure to drain as much oil as possible and set it over paper towels. And we just repeat the process. Okay, and once we have our fried bread, now we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, so I'm just going to begin by spreading my refried beans over my fried bread. And of course, you could top them with all of your favorite toppings. Top it with the chile verde. Just going to keep it very simple. And of course, some queso fresco. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously so simple yet so delicious, super easy to make. I promise you, you're going to love it. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This is one of my family's favorite. Can never go wrong. So good. And of course, the bigger you make your bread, the thinner it's going to be. But you can make it however you want, thicker or thinner. This is so perfect. The chile verde, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious fry bread with ground beef chile verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.